Check this video out if you want to take your tyres off your wheels, off your glued wheels, nice and clean and easy. Really easy. Watch the video, it's going to be a good one. Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. Check it out. I know this looks really odd. I'm out in my garden. I don't want to make the house smell like rubber. I don't like using acetone. My wife says I can't ruin any pots or pans in the house. Or cook wheels in there, should I say. So what I've done is I've put the zinc watering can on a portable stove outside in the garden. Hopefully we're going to get that water to boil in there. Once it's boiling, I'm going to stick these 4 Traxxas wheels, and these are Traxxas Canyon crawler tyres and wheels. Hopefully we can get it hot enough to break the bead of glue that's all the way around the edges. I have done it before in the house, and to tell you what, if you do it inside the house, your house will stink of rubber for 2 days. It's fine by me, but the wife went absolutely barmy. So like I say, let's boil these up, get that water boiling, stick them in there, and see if we can get some of that glue freed up. Also, what you're going to need for this as well is another garden related item, a set of nice thick rubber gloves. The thicker the better around your fingers, because you want to ideally pull the rubber off the plastic tyre, the rubber tyre off the plastic rim, like as soon as possible. Fetch it out the water and pull it apart, and it should literally break that bead of glue. Let's see how we get on. I'm going to stick them all in, pull one from the bottom after about 5 minutes, and we'll see if we can get it off there. Just starting to get some steam now as well, and some bubbles, so reaching boiling point. Thumbs up for that. You're also going to want to probably need something to hold it down, whether it's the lid off a pan, or if you're lucky enough to have kept an old pan. I'm just going to stick these wheels in there like so. This is going to absolutely stink soon. Carefully try and get all them covered in there without burning yourself. There you go. Let's just leave that boiling. Come back to it in about 5 minutes time. Let's see, yeah. Good enough to eat. The reason, by the way, guys, I am boiling these tyres off the wheels, the foams have gone in there completely. The foams have got wet at some point, and they've gone rotten inside and turned to mush. So when we pull these tyres off the rims, basically you're just going to see mushy foamy part, like bits of foam. Yeah, what I'm going to put inside here is actually plastic hair scrunchies, bobbles, which again I'll show you on a different video how to do that, and glue the bead up nicely on the rims. Let's let these cook and come back in a bit. Right then, guys, there you go. We have been boiling for over 5 minutes now, probably about 7 minutes. Let's get some gloves on, pull one of these wheels out, and see if we can get the tyre off it with these. Might have to leave them a bit longer. I'm sure I left my last ones for 10 minutes that are done, but they weren't factory glued. They were glued by me with super glue. Fingers crossed, wish me luck. Let's get a wheel out and see if we can do it. If it works, I'll pull another wheel out, do that on camera, and then this video will go live on YouTube for you lot to watch. Ooh! It actually worked. I told you, factory glued as well. Look at this nasty foam that come out there. Forget that. Look how clean this has come off. Literally super duper clean. You'll be able to put some new inserts straight back in there, bang that back all together, and glue the bead properly again. In one, guys, came off in one, and I'll show you straight away now. Let's get the pliers and take another one out. Right then, we got 2 down. I'll show you one on camera. You need to be really careful, guys, not to scald your hands like I just did, because the backs of these gloves are material. Never mind. So what you want to do is grab one out. There. Carefully, if you can, like so. Be careful, because this wheel is full to the brim of boiling hot water. Now what you want to do is, if you can possibly break into that just once, like so, you do click and try and drain a bit of the water out if you can, but you need to do this as fast as you can while that glue bead is actually soft. There you go, that's one off. And again, you need to break the bead, and just when you click, just go for it while it's hot. All the way around. The thicker the gloves, the better, that's for sure. And then there you go, we have got another one off. I'll get this finished up and wrap the video up. Oh, and there it is. 4 separated wheels and tyres. Dirty old battered foams, like I say. They was probably originally that big and they've just gone all the way down. Because the water gets inside the wheel with some dirt and just continuously mushes it up. And like I say, these have come off really, really clean, really nice. None of the rubber on the tyres are broken at all. No holes in the rubber either. And as you can see, that seam of glue just came off there, really nice. Wheels ain't bent up or anything either. So you've got 4 nice mint wheels, clean them up, give them a rub down and spray up nice and clean. And then again, you've got 4 nice unbeaded tyres. So no holes in the tyres. The tyres are a little bit rough, but they'll soon be alright. Give them a little clean up, put some tyre cleaner on them, give them a clean up. And then, like I say, drop some nice new foams in, bead of glue around the top, and you got yourself some nice new canyons that you can carry on using. Or whatever wheels you do to this 2 guys, like I say, you could take a Max truck tyre off the wheel just the same way. Probably just get 2 in the pan at the same time. Like I say, 7 minutes and they're ready to pull off. Be very, very careful though, guys. Hot, hot, hot thumbs. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Ah, look at that. What you want to do, you just push the bead outwards off of the wheel like so, and it'll just pull. Ah,